Minamasdan kita. Hindi mo alam.
Then one is 50 back
Hi.
and team. Madilim, Mr. P.
What was that? What did you say?
That doesn't look like out.
Huh?
Yes, CHL. Yan.
Or classic.
Sabi ko, para ko ng mga ano. Kaya na pinupungkor niyo. Diba? Nakano siya na. Oh, we went home after
Nagbiyak, mo tayo narinig sabi si Sali-Sali ba dito? Tapos ano pa? Ano ba to? Brown out?
so
Nasa resto
Diba
kami.
guys?
that
Oh. Pero nasan yung where's the face?
Ano yun?
Where's the face?
Where's the face?
Yes.
What face?
Your face.
You don't see my face?
Nakikita niyo ba yung mukha niya? Class?
and then
Nakikita yung mukha mo, Tris. Black.
Hindi mo makita yung mukha ko?
Wala, black lang. Kita niyo ba guys?
Ako, nakikita kita.
Good for you. Diba? At least.
Tanungin mo sila kung nakikita nila ako kasi hindi ko mabasa yung mga comments. Walang lumalabas sa akin na comments.
Oh my God, nakikita niyo siya, tapos di ko siya nakikita.
Diba?
Tingnan niyo ako nakikita niyo siya.
member
Ay, hindi kami members. Wala akong matanungan guys. Nakikita niyo ba siya? Hindi pala member tong dalawa kasama ko. Hindi makapasok. O sige. Wala. Hindi ko nakita si Mr. B. Kasi pa. Ba't ganun? Diba ata yung screen ko? Diba?
yeah. They are
Clear siya sa inyo, sa akin hindi.
no, I'm sorry. Just myself and then
Ang galing ng nagigitara dito, tinan mo.
Ano kung makikita ang dilim? Camera pwede? My gosh, ano pa naman? Oh,
Yan.
ayun. Black screen. Ay, pa? Yan. Kita sa black screen.
Sige, gusto mo i-ano ko ulit? Let me,
Oo, mag-rejoin ka na lang. Gulo.
let me try it again. Let me try it again. Hold on.
it's a big old spoon.
Can you see me now?
No. Baka may na-signal ko. Okay lang.
But I can see you though.
Spicy food.
Ay, well, good for you.
Yeah, good for me.
Just a little bit.
Ay, ayan na pala. Nag-brown out ata kanina.
Can you see me?
Ay,
I
yes.
yeah.
Very good.
Ay, nagaya na naman siya ng kulay ng damit. Bakit shouldn't have loaded 1.9? Bakit, guys?
The napa, but the one
Nakakahiya kasi sa mga members ko na fully paid.
I made the cucumber. I made the cucumber.
Ano, nag-quit siya. Sabi ko, makinig ka. Puro ka naman
Make it
takot
with
eh.
What? Ano?
Sabi ko, nakakahiya sa mga members ko na fully paid.
Nakakahiya sa ano?
You try it.
Nakakahiya sa mga members ko na fully paid.
But I put the
Guys, naiintindihan ba niya?
ay kasi nakaano. I don't like how I don't use the napa. I don't. Probably you
Hindi
know.
niya iniintindi yung sinasabi ko.
Yes, I am.
Because when I make the
Ano yung sinabi ko?
Nakakahiya sa mga members mo na fully paid.
Yes. Fully paid membership.
Yeah.
yes, compared to the regular.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I like Persian. Then
That was nice, huh?
real there's country
Kaming birthday dito, lagi, no? Birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Ayan. So, sa mga may birthday today, happy birthday,
Birthday po sa
everybody.
inyo. That's right. Happy birthday sa mga may birthday dito.
Bless you, bless you.
Project.
You're out.
If you like chocolate, try the chocolate souffle.
Wala akong sinabing Chinese word. Kayo talaga. Kung ano-ano malalaman nyo, guys.
No.
Tala. Paano mawawala itong iPad?
Yeah, I
Huh?
I don't know if you did try though for the concert in Arizona. I made the chicken salad.
We are happy even if it's not our birthday.
Anong-
I don't think there was any more by the time I ate.
Anong meron ulit sa Cavite?
Yeah.
Regada Festival.
So I have to leave some at the area with
It's amazing.
Basaan. Basaan.
by the time I went to eat.
Naka-bathing suit ka sa ilalim?
Well, you can set up the colors.
Yes.
I drink surface.
Ay.
I hate it when you're when you're talking. And if I want to drink something,
May nakapang-teacher ako.
Ha?
I hate that. I'm talking to you.
Nakapang-teacher.
I don't want to look in the back, so I just flip it.
My meat.
And
Nakapang-teacher?
yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Yan o.
On the salad. I
Pero tatanggalin mo after.
Okay.
Kaya, ba't ko tatanggalin? Uy.
No, I hate
Okay. Pero sa ilalim may bathing suit.
I just put it on.
she's
Wala,
talking.
bakit?
Ano mo basahan tapos may bathing suit ka?
I have to go look
Sila
for
bang magpa-perform lang kami? Ano to?
Sila.
Flip it and
Anong kakantin mo?
and they know.
And I put Bill.
That stays on.
Oh, I like
Pa nga ba? Paulit-ulit lang tayo, Chris.
Ano nga?
Kahit
Ngiti?
ayaw mo na. Saka ngiti.
It's still.
See how long it takes.
Minamasdan kita. Hindi mo alam.
Mga pangarap kong ikaw ay akin. Diba?
Uy, nag-vocalize.
No, I don't need, diba? Kasi gusto ko raw. Kung ano yung lumabas, yun na yun.
You know, Lisa, back in the day.
Hindi talaga ako
okay.
yung
Just box that.
singer na kailangan mag-practice. Gusto ko kung ano yung lumabas, yun na yun. Ayoko i-practice.
Wow.
The guys are
Let's just make what you get.
Okay.
Yeah.
and then the guys are downstairs using their
Good for you. You know,
Oh my God. Syempre
That's-
naman.
that's like very professional of you.
Of course. Diba?
Yeah, wow.
But she's
But I don't use microphone. Ano nga, diba? I don't bow on microphone. Like you,
That's
diba? Yeah. God.
ano ba nangyari? Bakit ako nagpapalakpak dito?
No, because
It is. It
once
is.
we flip this, somebody come in, the waiter, the server, and then somebody came and just, can I help you? Yeah, can I have some water? And then, why did they flip this? They already, no, the girl said, no, you are there. Why you don't want to flip it for me? And then they got him. Yeah.
Alis na kami ng Aruba bukas.
Bukas. Anong
Bukas ng
oras?
papuntang airport. Alis kami ng 11 a.m.
Oy, excited siya.
Sino?
Ikaw.
Na?
Oh, kita niyo na yung sulat.
Sana good news.
It's scary too.
Tas, pagbukas ko, sorry.
They're never gonna keep bringing you all the food.
Sorry, but I'm not ready. Sorry, I'm not ready.
Saan mo, siguro dapat sa level 2 mo na lang basahin yung sulat.
Gusto mo sa level 2 na lang? Ah,
Yeah, or his favorite there.
that's
Yeah.
idea.
That's
No,
Yeah,
Ano oras salang mo?
because in the Philippines, we make this.
Nag-start na, yung unang, next na daw GMA.
Yeah.
Next ang GMA?
we make them every day. Well,
Siyempre, Sparky.
Yeah.
Chamao.
That's why I have the two.
oh, it's so like hot enough.
Oh, this is hard.
We were sitting here with. We told
Look at this, ano. Kaya na tong restaurant dito.
because we were you were saying, oh, nice, Aruba. Well, I would love to get to Aruba. This up and how much?
Beyond.
1,000. That's
Yes.
Big brother.
Sa Aruba.
Why?
Ha? Alto!
We were talking about
Yeah.
That show. Asking he was talking to me. He was so
Si Katie pumasok.
Yeah, he goes, I don't like Eva, I don't like this. I go, he's like, you're gonna really like him in Aruba.
Ko na lang din muna pinapasok, not feeling well.
Yeah.
Bukas na lang
kailan-
kung gusto niya
kailan-
pumas.
Kailan ko pala, kakausapin yung teacher? I mean, principal.
Di ba dapat bukas, wala ka naman. So, Tuesday, Thursday lang daw siya.
Because they're like some artists.
Wala ba siyang cellphone? Di ba pwedeng kausapin sa cellphone?
This is gonna be right. This is okay.
Sa level 1 ka lang daw mag-read, wag daw level 2. Mahal daw yung level 1. Level 2 mo, Chris.
Ano?
Sa level 1 ka lang daw magbasa, mahal daw yung level 2.
Babasahin ko yung first half sa level 1. Yung second half, kung gusto nyo malaman kung ano yung nasa dulo,
Here, we're gonna go to your other.
yan yung first ng level 2 eh.
You'll be.
Buwan mo ko, te.
Part 1 ay
Buwan
para
mo na lang ako ng food. I'm
Part
busy.
1 ay para sa level 1. Part 2 ay para sa level 2.
Hi ka naman, Mr. P.
Hi, Miss B. Hi from Aruba.
Marking how much you want.
Yung sinasabi ko, part 1 ay para sa level 1. Part 2 ay para sa level 2.
Part 2 para saan?
Part 1 ay para sa level 1. Part 2 para sa level 2.
That's your name all over it.
Alam nyo ba, sabi ko sa kanila, Chris, sabi ko sa kanila kagabi, di ba inalis ko yung level 2 ko, pero binalik ko. Kasi nung last time na nag-live ako, nakita ko yung video ko kumakalat na.
They're hiding in the station.
Nakakalat na?
Yung video ko sa members, kumalat na. Sabi ko, ay, gano'n na, sandali. Magle-level 2 nga ako.
Actually,
Tapos
you know,
after ko mag-live, nire-release ko naman. Kasi, pag di ko nirelease, nire-release nila.
People start coming in. At 9:30, it is done with surfing. So basically, the work is 4 hours that they actually have to work. They can work 8 hours. So I'm sorry.
Top member ka, no? Lifetime, ano?
Even more. The bond
But again, every artist is different.
is
Like
for
for us,
every producer is
for us,
different. We pay overtime.
we don't mind staying together.
Yeah.
Both of both like
But they barely ever do. There's only doing
Nagpe-pray pala.
Oh, like the hotel room? Yeah,
Ako naman,
we're in the same hotel
Sandreta,
room.
guys.
We have slumber parties.
So we're like, okay, who's showering first?
Who's showering first?
Who's the people
Who's- who's-
Okay, Starbucks. Yeah.
Yeah, we are literally just like laughing.
We sleep like 4 in the morning. Like,
Each other up like
We have poopery.
yeah.
We have to have the poopery in the bathroom.
Or Palo Santo.
Sushi.
We're exciting. Like we mess around with
Sasaw
them.
mo na, my love. Kakain na tayo ng breakfast.
Ikaw na?
Yeah.
Kakain tayo ng breakfast and our breakfast for today's video is caldereta.
Where?
Yeah, that is.
Ang
Ilalive mo ba yung performance mo?
They were partying. Like, yeah.
Yeah?
But, it's like, love.
Sige.
Dito ko na lang ilalive. Ano gusto mo marinig? Hindi.
No, eating. Sige.
Just like I said, every artist has different
Hindi mo alam na pangarap ko ikaw ay aking pagpapalala.
Yeah, it has
Natagad mong ngiti, maabot hanggang sa langit. Huwag ka lang titigil.
Over here with the her youngest daughter, and
Ang
of course, all the
puso
way to
ko
know her.
sabihin
So she kept on asking for those. I
sa
think she's
iyong
checking those.
ngiti. O, diba? O, relax lang, guys. Kalmahan nyo lang. Baka lamigin kayo.
She had no limits.
Save last month.
She was at that time.
O, diba?
What can I hate but mental about it?
That's all you.
14. Almost.
And that's a
Yung isa, ano? Kumain yung isa? Kahit ikaw ay magsabi, sa'yo lang lalapit, sa'yo lang aawit.
Okay, you're Mark.
Diba, guys?
Yeah, they only sing a
O,
few
diba
hours.
nilalamig na sila? Tatakbo, tatangang sisigaw ang pangalan mo.
It's a shame I didn't know before.
Iisipin na lang panaginip lahat ng ito. O, diba? Nilalamig na kayo. Tama na, guys.
Yeah. We go with the flow.
Pag
Also, the eyes closed good, but I want you to be until like.
No, you guys.
pag-uwi ko sa LA,
Ha?
pag-uwi ko sa LA, live ulit tayo.
He sings like operas. But with his own
Kaya sa pag ko naman.
Yes.
Ang taon niya.
Fine, I can he sings as well.
Plus, pagbibigyan ba natin siya sa account niya?
We don't have to sing public.
Lagi naman ako nandito sa account mo.
Pagbibigyan natin siya.
Wow.
Dapat level 1 lang. Huwag ka daw mag-level 2. Ang OA daw.
Wow.
Brown na lang po, brown. After a while, I'm like, okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Sige na. Pagbibigyan natin, nag-yes yung mga ano natin na students. Bibigyan kita mag-live sa ano mo.
Wow!
Thank you naman.
Personal
Inside. Oh, no, that's the yours. That's why I want together. I need to go.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. No, you were right in your day off.
This house, this one, Casio.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, they eat.
Sometimes.
Too much.
Yeah.
The little girl, she's so because I was
She has a cutest voice.
but
She's always doing something, right? I have to go. Like the cutest voice, but she's got a cartoon voice. I mean,
So me,
Ang sarap ng kaldereta.
like she was by the pool, right?
Mag-clean out.
She had all these
Sarap.
beads. And I was like,
Mas pa na tayo ng Tupperware.
She's
Masarap.
like,
No?
I'm playing sink
Tupperware
or
kasi.
float. I was like,
Out natin.
sink or float. Well, the leaves, when you throw it in the pool, you have to see if it sinks or if it floats. And then she goes,
Yung
you want to play?
kaldereta, iuwi natin, guys. Kumain ng pakyut.
she sang the songs. She sang in the band.
Aww.
Like she missed me already because I have to go change the page. She's like, are you gonna be back?
And then as soon as I went to my room, like I swear to God, like 30 seconds later,
We heard
Hindi ko marinig
nothing.
sila, guys, kasi ano, parang pumuputok-putok dito yung boses
She
natin.
was like, long after
30 seconds.
Yeah.
Like, look, I don't want to bother. Mojack? We got both. Same with him. I'm like, yeah, no,
May kalaro akong ano, bata kanina. Sobrang cute niya, 4 years old. Sobrang cute ang
Tapos?
boses niya. Parang,
Nung nilalaro. Ay, naku,
May-
hindi naka-level 2 to si Mami Days. Ba't nandito? Level 2 lang dito. Nandito si Mami Days.
Mami Dips.
Hi.
Hello, hello.
Nasaan yan? Because honestly, you hit it on the money.
Dala niya ako ng maraming okra.
Very good.
in the mint. Lucy knows. But Lucy knows.
Her manager keep saying, but how?
Yeah.
We saw a lot of mojitos in the
Yeah. I'm better than that.
Pero mojito ko, that's a tea?
Yeah, this is just tea. Mint tea.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. Oh, that's really good for
Yeah,
digestion
recess
after you.
na.
Very good. Pwede, yeah, pwede.
For then,
He's good stuff.
but I get it. You gotta go with it's for me.
You gotta give some people one.
It's not like my production is not for me. And I know it's
The people.
so I need to get they know what's happening.
Yeah,
I know.
When are we coming back?
Hanggang na.
When are we coming back? Let's go.
That's what we're asking.
Oh, yeah?
They're asking where's grandma?
That's very English. Yes. Very. So English.
they sell ticket. They have nothing to negative to think to say.
Oh.
Go.
So you guys did a great job.
Yeah,
Good job, everybody.
With them.
Wow. So onward and forward. Even bigger things, right? Keep it moving. Keep it moving. But honestly, no negative feedback.
Yeah, honestly, we the best. We had the best time here. Have fun along the way. We had fun. We had relaxation. We had a good show. Great
Talaga
host.
masarap.
Man.
Si Leslie, Bati Crystal, anong healing? Anong crystal binili mo? And kumain ko pa sa arte, pa-cute.
She's the reporter of Aruba.
Yeah.
Headquarters. Headquarters.
Yeah.
Only producer.
So,
The audience.
Miss Alma, talaga.
You guys
No, it's because on our first for Donecta, and me and our other friends
Binili mo.
Thank you.
in Panat.
You made 600. Oh yeah, that's right. She told me about that.
Based
Yeah.
on my chart. Diba? Oh my gosh.
We had for everybody had
No na? Dami na? Okay na ako? Actually, gusto ko yun. Report.
adobo. But this is what I made for the sponsors.
Yes. And that was the start of our tour.
At pala, nagdala tayo ng Tupperware.
Ay,
Next time alam mo na.
mukhang babalik ako sa Aruba. Tama ka? Bakit?
Go Mo Jack! Go Mo Jack! Happy birthday!
Sasama kayo ni Katie.
So from here, this is what we made. I was like, oh,
Oh wow, that looks good.
yeah. And
Wait, so are you catering like Queen G? Are you catering?
no, I made that one.
Oh wow.
For her, for the concert.
Sure. I love it.
So coming back.
Yeah, I know. Good for you. Oh, you guys.
No, Lisa. Sponsor. Yes, this is what we said. The sponsor.
Oh, that looks good.
Yeah. So that's what she is.
Oh, wala pa.
Ano kinakain mo?
Yun na nga.
Yung
Kukunin isipan.
But Joe was telling Mama earlier, like,
Oh, what?
Yan. Okra?
like, hey, you. No.
Where do you guys get your haircuts? You guys have some really clean haircuts, man.
Ruby.
small one. This is a
Yeah, where do you guys get
Barber?
Yeah.
Oh, different. And then so
they have good barbers
Mga
here?
member ko, lagi na nang signal ko.
Yeah.
Oh,
Now I know.
Maulan kasi dito eh.
I miss Tita.
Oo.
Nag-order na kami kay Susana.
Mga waiter.
Wow, they do.
But we're not 10 years together. I still tell her I love her every day. Come on. After 10 years, gets that. Oh, dang. Yeah.
It's
I have to sell her every day.
kitchen.
Yeah, I know, right?
I always thought you guys were related.
Like, yeah, like
Cousins.
brothers.
Yeah.
Message.
And then you want things that also. I don't.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you're my daughter.
I'm like, I know what you mean. It's okay.
I don't.
It's okay. We never got to put her.
It's a good time, no matter what.
Okay. Easy.
You make me here.
Right? That is true.
No, no. Marketing.
So then after your next show, where are you? Are you going back home?
Hindi ko nakita. Mr. B. Mr. Nagmi-Mr. B ka na.
Kita mo, nag-answer na ako, naglalagay.
Wow.
Thank you.
Has he come
Oh,
in?
that's hot.
Very
Mas
hot.
maiksi kasi yun. Mas maiksi kasi minsan.
Are you gonna bring him?
It's not too hot. Yeah, because they already have water here. And then
Bill,
Yeah.
Philip, Luciano.
Yeah.
Yep.
We cannot afford to do
Yeah, you need more chicken still.
Maglalaw.
Guaranteed.
Yeah.
Here. Ano sinabi mo? May gumanon ka? Niyan.
And then, yeah. Yeah. It's not
O tap?
Yeah, or even they're like, no.
O tap?
Ay, sorry. Sorry, marami pa ng tao dito. Ang lakas ng tao ko.
Yeah. No, you actually.
Sorry, guys.
Do it.
Guys, kala ko kasi bahay lang.
No element steal. Well, we do, but we don't have a lot.
oh,
Lemons.